Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you students? I hope you are fine, all of you. Now my topic is Golgi apparatus. Class 9th subject biology. Golgi apparatus is also organelle which is present in the cell. It also performs special functions which coordinate other organelles and control the cell. Now, Italian physician Camillo Golgi first discovered Golgi apparatus in the cell. He was given a Nobel Prize in 1906 in physiology and medicine. Golgi apparatus is found in both plants and animal cells. It means it is present in both, it's a plants or animal cells. Functions of Golgi apparatus. First function of Golgi apparatus is Golgi apparatus modifies molecules coming from endoplasmic reticulum. It means endoplasmic reticulum has two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum and one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now, endoplasmic reticulum's molecules come and modify Golgi apparatus and pack into small membrane bound sacs. These sacs are called Golgi vesicles. These Golgi vesicles are involved in transport. These Golgi apparatus are also in which Golgi vesicles are present, and these Golgi vesicles are involved in transport and export of material. Lysosomes. My topic is lysosomes. Lysosomes was first discovered by Didov. He won a Nobel Prize. For physiology and medicine in 1974. Lyso means splitting and somes mean body. It means splitting body means breaking down of food particles or other particles into a small. The single cell membrane bonded organelle which contains a digestive molecules are called lysosomes. Small membrane bound organelle, lysosomes are also organelle, but it is a single membrane bonded organelle. Which contains a digestive molecules are called lysosomes. Strong digestive molecules. Now, function of lysosomes. Its first function is lysosomes break down food materials and also old organelles which is present in the cell, like a mitochondria. It means lysosomes function is a breaking down in the cell. Lysosomes fuse with vacuoles that contains a targeted material. It means vacuoles which are present in the cell in which food materials or other targeted materials are present which break down lysosomes. Lysosomes fuse with the vacuole and break down, and enzymes present in the lysosomes break down material. Centrioles. Centriole is also an organelle, but this organelle is hollow, cylindrical shape. Centrioles are also organelle, but this organelle is hollow and cylindrical shape organelle which is present in the cell. Centrioles is also an organelle which is present in the cell. Centriole is made up of 9 triplets of microtubules. Micro means small. It is present in animal cells. And also in unicellular organisms, not multicellular organisms. It is present in the animal cells and also in unicellular organisms. Two centrioles are collectively called centrosomes. Two centrioles are combined or collectively are called centrosomes. These centrosomes are present in the cell. These centrioles, which is present in animal cells located near the exterior surface of the nucleus. These centrioles, which is present in animal cells, but these centrioles are located near exterior surface of the nucleus. Now its structure. Each centriole is made up of 9 triplets of microtubules. Each is made up of 3. These microtubules are made up of tubulin proteins. Centriole is made up of 9 triplets. In each triplets, 3 microtubules are present, and these microtubules are made up of tubulin protein. Function of centrioles. During cell division, these centrioles forms a spindle fibers. It means during a cell divide, these centrioles forms a spindle fiber, and these spindle fibers help in the division of cell. They form a cilia and flagella in some cells. Difference between prokaryotics and eukaryotic cells. अब यहाँ पे हमने इनका डिफरेंस पढ़ना है, प्रोकैरियोटिक्स का और यूकैरियोटिक्स का. Prokaryotes in which prokaryotic cells are present, but in eukaryotes in which eukaryotic cells are present. Not prokaryotes in which eukaryotic cells are present. It's wrong, but only prokaryotes in which prokaryotic cells are present. Main difference between prokaryotics and eukaryotic cells. Now, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. It lacks a prominent nucleus. It means it's not a definite shape of nucleus. But eukaryotic cells in which a prominent nucleus are present in the cell. So, prokaryotic cells also lack a membrane bonded organelles. It means the organelles present in the prokaryotic cells are not membrane bonded. But here, eukaryotic cells, membrane bonded organelles are present, like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus. It means in eukaryotic cells, organelles are membrane bonded, like mitochondria and Golgi apparatus. Prokaryotic cells, its chromosomes contains and consist of only DNA. Prokaryotic cells, its chromosomes contains or consist of DNA only, and DNA is floating in the cytoplasm. DNA is floating in the cytoplasm of the cell. Now, eukaryotic cells, its DNA lies in nucleus. Ribosomes, which is present in the prokaryotic cells, are small in size. Ribosomes, which is present in the prokaryotic cells, are small in size, but ribosomes present in the eukaryotic cells are large in size as compared to prokaryotic cells of the ribosomes. Now, the size of the cell is very small, which is present in the prokaryotic cells as compared to eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells is 10 times larger than prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells size is 10 times larger than prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells, its cell wall is made up of peptidoglycine. Prokaryotic cells, its cell wall is made up of peptidoglycine. Now, eukaryotic cells, plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are also organelle which is present in cell. It also performs specific function in the cell. Vacuoles is also organelle, but this organelle is fluid filled. Single membrane bonded organelle. Vacuole is also organelle, and it is a single membrane bonded organelle in which fluid is present. Cells have many small vacuoles in their cytoplasm. Cells have many small vacuoles in their cytoplasm. These small vacuoles interconnected with each other and form a large vacuole. Now, vacuoles of plants. Vacuoles of plants. When plant cells during mature, the cells of the plants become mature, its small vacuoles absorb water and fuse with each other. During plant cells mature, its vacuoles absorb water and fuse with each other to form a large vacuole in center of cell. And become large and turgid. Now, food vacuoles. Many cells take food in cell from outside, but in the form of food vacuoles. It means many cells take food from the outside of the cell, but these are in the form of food vacuoles. Food or material which is present in vacuoles is digested by lysosomes. Enzymes. These enzymes break down material which is present in the food vacuoles. Contractile vacuoles. It means these vacuoles are contract and relax. During contract, it eliminates a waste material from the cell, and these contractile vacuoles are present in some unicellular organisms or cells. Relationship between cell functions and its structure. मतलब कि क्या रिलेशन होता है सेल फंक्शंस का एंड इट्स स्ट्रक्चर, उसके स्ट्रक्चर्स का. Plants and animals' bodies are made up of different cells. Plants and animal bodies are made up of different cells. It means it's different types, and different cells have different functions. Human body is made up of 200 types of cells. Human body is made up of 200 different types of cells. Each cell performs different and specific functions. Size and shape. Red blood cells, which is present in the blood, its shape is round. Nerve cells. Nerve cells are not round, but nerve cells are long for the transmission of nerve impulses. Nerve cells are not round, but nerve cells are long for the transmission of nerve impulses to the different parts of the body. Xylem cells are long, tube-like. It conducts water from soil and also salt. Surface area to volume ratio. Surface area to volume ratio of the cells. Root hair cells. Root hair cells have large surface area because it absorbs a maximum water from soil. because it absorbs a maximum water from the soil. Presence or absence of organelles. Presence or absence of organelles. Some cells are involved in making secretion. It means some cells are involved in making secretion. They are more complex ER and Golgi apparatus. Relation between cell functions and its structure. Role of individual cells in which whole functioning of human body. Nerve cells. They conduct nerve impulses and take part in coordination of body parts. It means a different body parts are present. Muscle cells help in movement of body. Blood cells carry oxygen to different body parts. White blood cells defends body against germs. Skin cells act as a receptor of touch, pain and temperature. Bone cells deposit calcium in the body to strong and hold the skeleton.